Welcome back to Car Beats, where power, precision, and passion meet on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most thrilling machines of the modern era, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V2. This bike is not just a motorcycle, it's a pure expression of Italian craftsmanship, emotion, and engineering excellence. Every line, every sound, and every movement of the Panigale V2 2026 defines what it means to ride a Ducati, fast, elegant, and untamed. At first glance, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V2 carries forward the signature Ducati DNA, with a design that's both aggressive and seductive. The aerodynamic silhouette has been refined for better airflow and reduced drag, allowing it to slice through the wind effortlessly. Ducati's designers have kept the body compact and muscular, emphasizing performance while keeping that unmistakable red racing soul alive. The twin LED headlamps, sculpted fuel tank, and razor-sharp tail section make it look like it's moving even when it's standing still. This is not a bike that blends in, it commands attention wherever it goes. Under the fairings lies the heart of this beast, the updated 955cc Superquadro twin-cylinder engine. Ducati has fine-tuned it for 2026, pushing the limits of what a twin can deliver. The power output now touches an incredible 165 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute, with torque peaking at 105 Nm at 9,000 revolutions per minute. That means instant acceleration, breathtaking mid-range pull, and an adrenaline rush every time you twist the throttle. Whether you're blasting down the straight or carving through corners, the Panigale V2 2026 responds with lightning precision. Ducati's engineers have managed to keep it thrilling yet manageable, so riders can experience the full force of a superbike without feeling overwhelmed. The 6-speed gearbox, paired with Ducati quick shift up and down, allows buttery smooth gear changes without using the clutch. The ratios are optimized for both track performance and street riding, giving you that perfect blend of aggression and control. And with a slipper clutch to prevent rear-wheel hopping during aggressive downshifts, the bike stays stable even during hard braking into tight corners. Handling has always been a Ducati specialty, and the Panigale V2 2026 takes it to a new level. The aluminum monocoque frame provides an ideal balance between stiffness and flexibility, giving the rider precise feedback and confidence at every lean angle. The suspension setup is now fully adjustable, with a Showa big piston fork at the front and a Sachs monoshock at the rear. Whether you're on a smooth racetrack or bumpy city roads, you can fine-tune the ride for optimal comfort and performance. The braking system is nothing short of world-class. Up front, you get twin 320mm discs with Brembo M 4.32 calipers, while the rear features a 245mm disc with a single Brembo caliper. Together, they deliver incredible stopping power and feel. Ducati's cornering ABS EVO ensures that you maintain full control, even under heavy braking while leaned over in a turn. It's technology working seamlessly with the rider to provide unmatched safety without taking away the thrill of riding. Electronics play a huge role in the 2026 Panigale V2. The Ducati electronics suite is more advanced than ever, featuring a 6-axis IMU that constantly monitors the bike's movement in real time. Traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, and cornering ABS all work together to keep you stable, confident, and in total control. You can adjust each of these settings through the 4.3-inch TFT color display, which has been redesigned for better visibility and smoother navigation. The interface is intuitive, and the graphics are clean and modern, a perfect blend of technology and artistry. Riders can choose between multiple riding modes: race, sport, and street. Each mode adjusts the power delivery, throttle response, and electronic intervention to suit your environment. In race mode, you get maximum power and minimal assistance for that raw, unfiltered Ducati experience. In sport mode, the balance shifts slightly for aggressive road riding, and in street mode, the bike becomes more forgiving for daily use without losing its signature performance. One of the highlights of the 2026 Panigale V2 is its refined ergonomics. Ducati has listened to rider feedback and made subtle yet impactful changes. The seat is now slightly wider and better padded for long rides, the footpegs are positioned for an ideal balance of comfort and control, and the handlebar reach has been adjusted for a more natural, commanding posture. This means you can enjoy both spirited rides and long-distance journeys without fatigue. When it comes to exhaust sound, Ducati has nailed it once again. The twin-cylinder engine produces a deep, aggressive growl that builds into a thrilling roar as you climb through the revs. The exhaust note is pure Ducati, raw, emotional, and addictive. Every gear shift feels like a celebration of power, every rev a symphony of mechanical perfection. This is not just transportation, it's a sensory experience that connects man and machine. Ducati has also worked on improving heat management in the 2026 model. The revised fairing design channels hot air away from the rider, keeping comfort high even during long rides or in traffic. The cooling system has been re-engineered for greater efficiency, ensuring the bike runs optimally even in demanding conditions. The Panigale V2 2026 sits on Pirelli Diablo Rosso Casa IV tires that offer outstanding grip and stability. Whether you're pushing limits on the track or enjoying twisty mountain roads, these tires provide the confidence to lean harder, brake later, and accelerate sooner. Combined with Ducati's refined suspension geometry, the result is unmatched agility and stability in every corner. Ducati has also incorporated lightweight components throughout the bike to improve its power-to-weight ratio. The use of aluminum and composite materials ensures that the Panigale V2 remains incredibly nimble while maintaining structural integrity. The dry weight sits around 176 kilograms, making it one of the lightest and most responsive bikes in its class. In terms of design, the 2026 Panigale V2 introduces subtle new color schemes and finishes that enhance its visual appeal. The traditional Ducati red remains iconic, but there's also a new stealth black edition with matte accents that gives the bike a sinister, track-ready look. The attention to detail is remarkable, from the aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairings to the precision machining on the triple clamp. Everything about this bike screams perfection. Ducati's goal with the Panigale V2 2026 was to create a machine that bridges the gap between accessibility and extreme performance. It's powerful enough to thrill seasoned riders, yet manageable and refined enough for those stepping up from mid-range sport bikes. The electronic aids, balanced chassis, and forgiving power delivery make it a superb introduction to the world of Ducati superbikes. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements thanks to new engine mapping and lightweight construction. The 17-liter fuel tank offers a decent range, making it practical for both daily commutes and weekend rides. And with Euro